lost my feelings, start my mind. Fed up of them, your dirty mankind.
Giving the national team a break. It's been a lot on my body. It's been a lot on my head, mental, upstairs.
What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. You know it's your boy King back in the building. Still, I do the damn thing. And today I want to use the opportunity to show some much appreciation to the baller who's not only just had, if not one of the best, but the best ever season by a Jamaican male footballer. And yeah, I have to say male footballer because we have to also big up Kadisha Bonnie Shaw and all that she have done this season. To be in the running for the Ballon d'Or last year was nothing short of phenomenal. And to be listed the Premier League player of the season, the Women's Premier League player of the season, big thing, phenomenal thing she are going with, and I don't think we talk about it enough. So I just want to big up Bonnie Shaw, you see me, but both she and Leon Bailey has raised the standards for Jamaican footballers. For too long you've heard that Jamaicans don't have no discipline, Jamaicans can't adapt to the cold, the language barriers, the lifestyle, all of those things. Now is the new standards for young ballers. This, the man them raised the bar, the man and the woman, they have raised the bar. Bonnie and Leon Bailey, them raised the bar. And any youngsters who are come up now should have looked for reach that level, reach that standard, or even push the bar higher. You see me, this is a new standard for the young ballers them should aspire to. But back to Leon Bailey. Bailey had one of the best seasons ever by a Jamaican footballer in Europe, with 14 goals and 14 assists in all competitions. But talking about assists, we also see where Leon Chippy Bailey has been assisting off the field also. Yeah, we see with the post by Reece Nelson, we tag Leon Bailey in it. But recently we also saw where Leon Chippy Bailey, the baller, donated $500,000 to the Bellevue Hospital, which is a hospital for people with mental issues. It's an hospital to help people with mental issues to rehabilitate themselves. And it's so funny we talk about rehabilitation with mental issues because we do remember that Leon Bailey stated that he's trying to take a break from the national team due to mental issues, people.
Giving the national team a break. It's been a lot on my body. It's been a lot on my head, mental, upstairs.
And I think that's something we take lightly. I think that's something what Jamaicans especially don't understand or don't care about mental issues. And to be honest, I'm using this opportunity also to highlight the fact that even many companies across the world moving towards implementing mental health leave or a mental health break. You see me? So that's something what people start to take serious. And on top of that, we also see where a lot of fans welcome Macy Greenwood back in the team, which is good because it's a baller where in footballing alone make people can look past what he was accused of. Yes, he wasn't found guilty of it, but he was accused, and there's a lot of people still not giving him that look in. A lot of people now associate with them brand, Macy Greenwood, but we can say welcome Macy Greenwood based on the fact that he wasn't convicted. And if you're not convicted, that should be the main deciding factor, yes. But also the fact that we willing to give the ball a second chance based on the fact that whatever error makes. So if Bailey need a break, we also have to give Bailey a second chance. A second chance, no, say, all right then, take a break. And then when you take a break and you're ready to come back, we welcome you with open arms again, because it should also and always be about the footballing performance. And yes, we don't say Bailey hasn't lived up to him name wearing the black, gold and green, but based on the fact that this has been a season where him stay fit the longest, and you can see it showing the numbers, we can hope to see him replicate that in the black, green, and gold jersey. So yeah, people, there you have it. Do remember to smash the like button. Do remember to leave a comment down in the comment section. Do remember to subscribe. There's a whole lot of people who hasn't subscribed, watching the videos, not subscribing. People don't do better than that. You see me? And that's it, people. Love. I'm out.